Using your seam ripper, remove the stitches from the neck seal. Notice that there are 2 rows of stitches. Once all the stitches are removed, turn the neck seal inside out. Using your heat press, remove the tape around the seal. This heat press is set to 300 degrees Fahrenheit and 25 seconds. But before we start sewing, it's a good idea to first mark the front and back of the neck seal. Use the seam on the liner as the back of the seal. Then place another mark halfway around the neck seal. If there aren't any similar marks already there, mark the front and back of the suit. Match up the marks and begin sewing. Follow the old needle holes in the suit. When finished, turn suit right side out and add a top stitch. Keep the stitches about 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch away from the neck seal. Now we need to cover the stitches with seam tape. But before we can do that, we need to apply urethane cement to the neck seal. Apply the cement just to the neck seal, not the suit. When the cement has dried, apply the seam tape. Use half of the tape width to cover the stitching. The other half should cover the suit. Overlap the end of the tape by 1 inch. Add seam tape at each of the 2 shoulder seams.